to another of my live stream lectures. Actually, this is going to be an introduction to the role of the substance abuse professional in relation to the return to duty process. This is going to be my introduction to my course that I'm going to complete for my YouTube channel. And basically, I have been doing DOT work as a substance abuse professional for well over 24 plus years. In this introduction, I'm going to literally state the learning objective that I'm going to complete in about 4 parts. And the learning objective in this course would be participants or the viewer or the listener will be provided an overview of all of the service agents that work in the DOT drug and alcohol testing program and their responsibilities in relation to that return to duty process. Number 2 learning objective that you would walk away once you listen to the course is the listener or the viewer will be provided an overview as to how the drug and alcohol clearinghouse fit into the return to duty process. Learning objective number 3 of this course the viewer or the listener will be provided an overview of the SAP, meaning the substance abuse professional qualifications. Learning objective number 4 that will be presented in this course is the viewer or the listener I'm going to review and discuss, go into a review and discussion in regards to a sample DOT return to duty case file. So each viewer or listener will have gained some insight about the role of the substance abuse professional in relation to the SAP DOT return to duty process. And when I get to that part of the course, I'm going to literally, go into detail about that case file in brevity. And then, throughout the course, if you have questions, make sure you send me questions in the comment. So that is going to be the learning objective in terms of what the goal in terms of what I'm going to teach in relation to this course in regards to the role of the substance abuse professional in relation to the return to duty process. And again, this is just my introduction to set the platform, to set the stage for me to go ahead and present this course. And I believe I'll do it in 4 parts. Let me just check. It's going to be done it's going to be a 4-part course, meaning 4 videos in the playlist that is going to eventually become the course for this topic. So again, I'm very excited to be able to do this, to be able to impart my knowledge and my skills and my expertise in relation to the role of the substance abuse professional in relation to the return to duty process. This applies to FMCSA. That's my area of expertise, those truck drivers. So if you are a truck driver for the transportation mode, FMCSA, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or if you are a credentialed substance abuse professional who does this type of work, you can gain a lot of insight by listening to this course. If you are a truck driver who work for FMCSA as a truck driver who want a little bit more clarity on this process, this course will be very helpful. And bottom line, this course will be helpful for anyone who's in the traveling public who utilize the roadway. So I'm very excited to pull this course together. That's all I have. Simplify, Simple Fidelis. And I'm going to leave you in the care of your own conscience. Have a great day.